Hello everyone, this is Hisham and this is a new tutorial videos about Python programming. In these videos we are going to construct a generalized solver for 2D truss structures by using Python programming language. So before talking about the sections of our work, I want to mention that the video or the part number 2 and part number 3 of this playlist will be about the theoretical background of the 2D truss structures, and the coding or constructing the code will start from video or part number 3. And the sections of our work will be as follow: required libraries, 2D truss construction, then 2D truss pre-processing, 2D truss post-processing, and then we will visualize the result, and we will generate a text summary for our results, and at the end we will compare the output or the results of our code with the well-known finite element software, which is global RFEM. Let's have a look at our code. This is the code which we are going to construct step by step, and this is the first example, and this is the second example which we are going to solve, and also this is the first example inside RFEM, and this is the second example also inside RFEM. So as I said, we will go step by step to construct the code, and then we will at the end we will compare the results. So see you in the next video. See you later.